Well, you got a lot of power in here. Okay, no wonder you're breaking your trunk. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Deshaun Brown. I got 4 XP3 Sundown 12s.
Wow.
And 2 Big Boss 8s. 100 amp hour sit back.
This big amp, whoa.
Both of them.
Both of them, man. So you got a set at 1 ohm each or half ohm, do you remember?
Half of me.
Well, you got a lot of power in here. Okay, no wonder you're breaking your trunk. Okay. Have you done any kind of trunk work, or you just kind of remove? Oh, you have done a lot. Wow. So you have an amp rack here instead of your seats.
Yeah, my seat used to be here.
Okay. What vehicle is this?
2009 Crown Victoria.
Crown Vic. Looks good. Wow. Any kind of what's your box tuning specs? SPL?
It's just, I just know it's 2 and a 30.
30. Okay. So. Have you ever put it on the meter, or you just demo and daily driver?
I put it on the meter first time of the day. It did a 147 at 27 hertz.
Ooh. 27?
Yes, sir.
It's tuned low then.
Yeah, it's 2 to 30. Yep.
Okay, I couldn't see where the port was.
It's 3 ports at the bottom of the box.
Okay, on the sides?
No, on the front.
On the front?
Yeah.
Facing the
facing the trunk, yeah.
Okay.
Way, yeah.
It was just really hard to see. It's at the bottom though, so got it.
Oh, yeah.
So it kind of overlaps, and it's kind of like it's almost as if it's a 6th order acting as the trunk, because it's breathing into this panel. Okay, got it.
Yep, eventually I'm gonna cut the rest of that out, so it's just a big opening right there.
Oh, you're about to turn your whole vehicle into, okay. Any kind of cabin work, or is it all stock?
Everything stock, just remove seats.
Okay. Output alt?
Yeah, 320 Brand X.
Nice. All right. Wow. Man, looking forward to hearing this. This is crazy. Impressed with that box. Who built the box?
My guy Josh Riddle.
He did good. All right, nice. HD 3000s on the doors.
Yep,
You got PRV tweeters and PRV mid bass. Oh man, is that from the bass?
Yeah, that's from the bass.
Is your bass breaking this?
Yeah, that's it.
Dang, dude.
Way off, and then it broke the light too.
Dang. Wow. Hey, I was about to say, you didn't fit this in here, but I see you got it to where you can fit it. That's smart. So just drop right in. Barely. Barely?
You had to take the whole trunk off.
Oh, dang. Wow. Woo. Is that your battery bank?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, we'll chat inside, check it out. Awesome. I was gonna say, the box moves a little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay. What vehicle is this?
2009 Crown Victoria.
Crown Vic. All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
I got the white ice, I can't do wrong. I got the black AP, the Pedicle two-tone. I don't want colorblind, I get my shine on. I feel it. The racks flew. What else about it? Don't need range blue. What else about it? Don't need range blue. I should've gave him down for the winter. I should've never.
Is there a way you can play another one? I get some trunk flex real quick. I gotta see this crazy flex, man. That's awesome. Go ahead and do your thing. How low was that? That's like in the 20 hertz range, like 23 or 26 or something. Wow, that was good. That was future. Okay. I see how your trunk's not, I don't know how it's not broken the latch. I appreciate the demo, dude.
No problem.
Wow. Thank you for the demo. Your name, man?
Deshaun Brown.
Deshaun.
Yep.
Jacob, man, you have a good day. That was awesome. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at